Magtanaw pa si Sir Kuan. Hi! Hello! Good morning! Good morning! Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes? Hello? Hi! Hi! Hi, Mommy. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes? Yes? Hi. Dito ako madungog. Okay. Are you ready for our lesson? Dito ako madungog.
Okay.
Hi. Can you hear me? Ca- Hi. Good morning. Okay. Can you give me good morning? Can you give me a high five? Thank you. Okay, so let us start our lesson. But first, I will introduce myself to you. My name is Teacher Manilyn. I am from the Philippines. What is your name? Oh, Cassie, what a very nice name. Hello, Cassie. Nice to meet you. Okay, so Cassie, how are you today? How are you today? Okay, that's great. Okay, so Cassie, are you ready for our lesson? Yes, so let's go. So, Cassie, this morning we are going to talk about carnival. Carnival. Okay, and Cassie, do you like face painting? Do you like face painting? Y- d- Okay, you have a very cute face. So we are going to paint our face. Face painting. Okay, Cassie, let's go. Okay, Cassie, what is on the face of the girl? What is on her face? The colored paint here. This is face painting. Face pa- painting. Okay, very good. Great job. Great job. Okay, do you like face painting? Do you like? Oh, yes, I like that too. Okay, so let us see the different patterns of face painting. Okay, let's go. Okay, Cassie, I want you to drag the brush to the face of the girl. Okay, drag, you drag. Oh, very good. Very good. Wow. Very good. Butterfly. And I'll give you your first star. Okay, again, butterfly. Very good. Ah, yellow. Yellow. Oh, very good. Again, a yellow butterfly. Okay, very good. A butterfly with patterns. Okay, very good. Okay, I'll give you another star, Cassie. You have 2 stars now. Very good. So, let us proceed. Okay, so what is on her face, Cassie? It's okay, very good. It's a butterfly. Okay. Now, drag again the brush to the face of the boy. Wow, very good. Very good. Yes, it's tiger. Do you like tiger? Do you like tiger? No, yes, you don't like. Why you don't like tiger? It can bite us. It can bite, right? Okay. Again, again. Can you read, Cassie? And orange, orange. Tiger. Okay, one more time. And orange, tiger. Very good. Another star for Cassie. Okay. A tiger with with patterns. Patterns. Okay, very good. Very good. So, what are patterns on the face of the boy? Tiger. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, okay, very good. It's a tiger. One more star for Cassie. Very good. Okay, now Cassie, you are going to drag the three face paint or the three parts of the butterfly face paint and the tiger on the face of the girl or the boy. Okay? You drag the three parts. Okay, go Cassie. Okay, what are the other parts? Okay, you put it here on the face of the girl. Okay, then, okay. Wow, great job, Cassie. Great job. Very good. I'll give you another star. So you now have 5 stars. Very good. Okay, can you give me another high five? Give me another. Okay. So let us now proceed. Okay, Cassie. We are going to answer what's on her face and what's on his face. Okay, Cassie, what's on his face? What is on his face? It's it's a very good again. Very good. Great job. It's a tiger. How about this one? What is this? Wow, very good. Very good, Cassie. Okay, let us proceed to the face of the girl. What's on her face? It's ah, is this a butterfly? This one, the face on of the girl? It's a wow, very good. It's a tiger. And how about this one? It's a wow, very good, Cassie. Very good. Here's another star for Cassie. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Very good. Okay, so again, what is this, Cassie? It's very good. This one, very good. Another star for you. So let us proceed to the next slide. Okay, you drag now the brush to the face. You drag this to the face of the girl. Drag the brush. Oh, wow, very good. You know it. Yes, it's rainbow. Okay, rainbow has a lot of different colors. Do you like rainbow? Do you like rainbow, Cassie? Ah, I like it too. Okay. Ah, colorful, colorful rainbow. Very good. Colors of a wow, very good again. Very good, Cassie. A okay, very good. Here's another star for you, Cassie. You're amazing. So let's proceed now. Again, Cassie, what's on her face? Ah, wow, very good. Great job, Cassie. Another star for you. Okay, now drag again the brush to the face of the boy. Oh, wow! Very good. These are stars. Stars. Okay, so just like this star, if there are many, there are stars. Okay, colorful stars. Okay, Cassie, what is the color of this star? What is the color of the star? Red. R- Very good. This one, what is the color? Yellow. Again, what is the color of this? This one? Very good. This one? Okay, very good. I have another star for Cassie. Very good. Okay. Five pointed, pointed, pointed stars. Again, five, five pointed star. Very good. Stars in the night. Okay, very good. Have you seen a star? Have you seen a star? Yes? Yes, in the sky there are stars. Okay, let's proceed, Cassie. Oh, okay, what's on his face, Cassie? They are stars. They Very good. Another star for Cassie. So, let's proceed to the next slide. Oh, now Cassie, you are going to drag again the stars to the face of the boy or the girl and the rainbow either to the face of the boy and the girl. Go! Very good, Cassie. Very good, very good. Okay, how about the stars? Okay, Cassie, great job, great job. I'll give you 2 stars for that. You now have 13 stars. Very good. Look at their faces. Their stars. Their stars. It's a rainbow. It's very good. Okay, Cassie, let's proceed. You're so smart. Okay. So we are going to answer again what's on her face and what's on his face. Okay, Cassie, what's on her face? It's it's a Wow, very good. How about what's on his face? There, there, there. Very good. Great job. Another star for Cassie. Okay, let's proceed now. We want face painting. You like face painting, Cassie? Yes, I like it too. So let's proceed. Okay. So I'm gonna put you here, Cassie. Okay. So you are going to answer what's on their face. Let's go. Oh, what's on his face? It's very good. Another star for Cassie. Okay, how about the next? Oh, what's on his face? There. Oh, there, there. Very good. There, stars. Great job. Okay, how about the next? Oh, what is that? What's on his face? It's a what? Very good. Very good again. I'll give you another star for that, Cassie. Very good. You're so amazing. Okay, next. Oh, what's on his face? What's on his face? It's a very good. It's a butterfly. Great job, Cassie. Another star for you. Okay, so let's proceed now, Cassie, to the next slide. Okay, very good. Oh, oh, Cassie, what's on his face? It's a very good. How about this one? The very good, very good. Another star for Cassie. One more. It is, again, it is a very good, very good. Okay, so Cassie, let us read the vocabulary words. What's okay? Next, tiger. Very good. Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, what's on her face? What's on? It's a great job. What's on his face? It's very good. What's on her face? Great job, Cassie. And last, what's on his face? There, there, there. Very good. I'll give you another stars, Cassie. I'll give you two more stars. So you now have 20 stars, Cassie. Give me a high five, Cassie, for an amazing job. Another high five. Okay, very good. Oh, so Cassie, did you enjoy our lesson? Are you happy? Yes, that's good to hear. So I'll give you another reward. Okay. You press the button, Cassie, to get your reward. Oh, what is that? Oh, what is this, Cassie? Very good, Cassie. You now have a face paint of a tiger on your face. Congratulations, Cassie. Very good. Okay. So, Cassie, we now come at the end of our lesson. I hope you're happy with our discussion. It's time for me, Cassie. Okay, to say bye-bye for now, Cassie. Bye, Cassie. See you next time. Bye, Mommy. Thank you so much. See you next time in Lingustar. Bye-bye. Thank you, Cassie. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.